Today we are going to make pan-seared fish with in lemon garlic sauce with sauteed broccoli. So let's begin. The ingredients that we are going to need are oil, salt, black pepper, chopped herbs, maida, fish. You can use whichever fish is available. I have used sole fish, broccoli, butter, lemon, garlic, and if you don't have chopped herbs, you can use dry oregano and water for boiling. Now first we are going to boil the broccoli. So for that we are going to add water. Now we'll add salt. Whenever we are boiling green vegetables, we need to make sure that we add salt so that it retains its green color. Now we are going to add the broccolis. And stir it. Now we are going to cover the broccolis. Now the broccolis are done and we are going to remove them. Now we are going to marinate the fish. For the marination, we are going to put the fish into the bowl. Add a little bit of oil on it. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add chopped herbs, a little bit of garlic, and now we'll marinate it properly. The fish is marinated and we'll keep it for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll heat the oil. We'll add the garlics in the oil. And we'll put the fish in the maida, just a little bit, and put the fish on the stove. We add maida to give a crispy taste to the fish. So now the fish is ready. Now in the same garlic, we are going to add a little bit of oil. And we are going to add the broccoli. And we are going to saute it in the pan. We'll add a little bit of salt to the salt. Now we are going to put the broccolis aside in the plate. Now we are going to make the lemon garlic sauce. For For that, we are going to add the oil in the pan. We'll add a little bit of butter to the oil. We'll now add the garlics and we'll saute them. Little bit of lemon. Now we are going to add a pinch of the maida into it. And a little bit of salt. Now our sauce is ready and we are going to pour it over the fish. Our fish is ready. This is one of my favorite non-veg recipes. So I'm going to taste it now. This is really good. I can't wait to eat it. So, bye guys.